بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a smart tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
The past continuous tense. Also call the past progressive.
I was teaching. She was winning.
They were playing. Was I using the mobile? Were you playing cricket? Was he speaking English? I was not doing a computer. We were not making a noise. Asma was not playing the guitar. It was busy day in Karachi. The sun was shining and everyone was hurrying to work. Asma decided to take a different route to college, and something caught her eye. A young man was sleeping along the road. He looked very sick and he was starving. Asma found him some food and water, but she couldn't afford to adopt him because she was supporting both herself and her younger brother through school. So she turned to her friends for help. She posted a message on Facebook with a map of the man's location and asked everyone to share it.
An activity in the past which covers another activity or a period. The activity in the past ceaseless beginnings previously and frequently proceeds after the other more limited activity or time.
I was walking to the school when I met Asma. At 2 o'clock, I was working.
I was walking to the school when I met Asma. At 2 o'clock, I was working. In the same way, we can use the past progressive for the background of a story. The birds were singing, the sun was shining, and in the school cafes people were laughing and chatting. Asma sat down and took out her phone. Temporary habits, or habits that happen more often than we expect in the past. We often use always, constantly, or forever here. This is the same as the way we use the present continuous for habits, but the habit started and finished in the past. This thing doesn't happen now.
She was always going to school very late.
You were constantly weeping.
To emphasize that something lasted for a while. This use is often optional and we usually use it with time expressions like all day or all evening or for hours.
I was working in the school all day. They were traveling all evening. I was sleeping for hours.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.